start. So this is the first job link that we have, which is in Secure Z. So it's in Mumbai, and they're looking for 3 pen testers. Okay, and guys, this is the mail ID careers@secures.com. So if you are willing to apply for this job, then drop your CV on this mail ID, and you should have little bit knowledge so that accordingly you can apply, right? So let's see. Now the next opening is basically in Intertouch. Okay, is the company name, which is in Bangalore, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So they are hiring for network engineer. They are hiring for L2, L3, which means they want little experience, guys, right? So first thing is they want someone with minimum 3 years of experience. Okay, so minimum 3 years of experience is required, and they are hiring looking for someone those who should have networking knowledge, right? They can go through with routing, switching, and all those things. So guys, apply accordingly. It's in Bangalore. Yeah, we are correct. And CCN certified. The people those who are going to apply for this job role should be CCN certified. Okay, hi everyone, those who are live. So just let me know who are there. Anyways, so this is a mail ID. Okay, I guess www is added by mistake. So ankita.thakur@intertouch.com is a mail ID where you can apply. Where you can drop your CV and you might get selected accordingly. So anyways, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, then check out this link. Agar experience chahiye, if you want experience, if you want internship certificate, whatever things you want to learn in web application pen testing, bug bounty, wants to earn, just check out this, right? Now the next opening is basically in Dubai. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of hiring which is going around in Dubai. So if you are willing to relocate there, wants to get something in job in Dubai, wants to have some high pay skill, then you can join this kind of job needs that I usually see on daily basis. Role is cybersecurity consultant. They are looking for vulnerability assessment, vulnerability managers, okay, penetration testers, configure review, MITRE attacks, and all those things. Minimum 5 years of experience is required, right? So take accordingly, okay. And it's in Abu Dhabi on site, so you need to work from the office. Minimum 1 years of contract period will be signed from your end, so accordingly you can proceed. And they are going to pay you approx 18K plus benefits. So 18K will be Saudi Arab dollar, whatever the currencies they are having. Okay, so accordingly you can do. This is the mail ID talent@embassolution.com. Apply accordingly if you want to move or something. Now the next is, let me check. Yes. Yep. Now the next thing is basically there are 2 to 3 job openings, right? So first thing is the cyber threat intelligence analyst, okay, which is in a company, right? And they can pay you up to 120K dollar per annum, okay, which is per year, which means 120K dollar. Okay, so you need to analyze the cyber threat, okay, provide intelligence to the external cyber security. This is the role they are looking for. Okay, the company is MS Consulting, right? And they are looking for someone who should have knowledge about digital forensics incident responder, which means if there is any incident related to digital forensics, then you need to respond accordingly. So digital forensics deep understanding and knowledge is required, right? And 75K per annum will be provided. It will be in dollar. SOC analyst 72K per annum will be required, right? And this is the mail ID mindy.wong@emsysconsultant.com. So apply accordingly if you want. They want experience, so drop your resume, check. Okay, just hit and try if you want. Next is Mac consultant. They are looking for SOC L1 L2 Microsoft Sentinel. So it's in Qatar, full time. Okay, consulting company. There you need to work from there. These are the responsibility will be assigned to you. Requirement will be 1 to 3 years of SOC IT security experience, proficiency in Microsoft Sentinel, SIM tools, and all those things required. This is a website macconsultants.com, and this is the mail ID carries@macconsultant.com from where you can join. So guys, we are planning to start a SOC internship as well. So that there's a lot of people those who are looking for SOC internship, and literally no one is providing, right? So we'll try to help you out. We'll provide you the SOC internship, which will be a TCI training of internship program. So it will be of 3 months, and most probably will extend it to the 6 months if you want, so that you can get some opportunities SOC as well. So that is thing. Yeah, that's all for today, guys.